Come over to the acupuncture. Florida Complete Wellness. If y'all scared of acupuncture, definitely do it. I feel so much better. Chiropractor was not working. 308. Good morning. Back in the other room. Sorry, y'all. By the time I had my massage, that massage felt so good. But she said I have 2 knots on my shoulder. Hopefully I'm going the right way. 2 knots on my shoulder and my lower back pain, of course, that I've been dealing with. But by the time I got to the acupuncture side, I totally forgot to record.
Continue
I
for
threw my
half a
phone
mile.
down. I threw my phone down so fast. Can I get in front of you? Please. Thank you. I threw my phone down so fast I was ready because the acupuncture worked, y'all.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-75 South.
You know, get my B12, and I'll be back in a minute. I might go have some lunch. Whew. All right, y'all. My only day off, and I try to do so much. Just got my B12. I think that's the only reason why I keep moving, because them B12s be helping me throughout the week. Keep me energized, doing the work that I do. Even though I'm on a better route, I'm so happy. I'm so proud of my route. But I think I'm gonna I'm gonna have to call out next week, even though we're supposed to be going on a little quick vacation. Because I definitely want to get my acupuncture done again. She said I'll be fine this time, but she didn't put the needles in the same spot she did last time. So now I'm like, am I gonna get the same effect? Like, all I felt them in my shoulder, and she put a lot in my shoulder, and she put some in my ankles. And last time I felt them all along my back, but she said I was really tight in my shoulders, which I lift packages all day, so of course I'm gonna be tight in my shoulders. But that back, forget my shoulders, get to the back. Get to the back. Cause my back is hurting. I'm too young to have my back hurting. I don't like that. Well, that's it, y'all. Cut. I'll be back for my vacation. Y'all see where I'm going in a minute. Bye. I'm so sorry. You gotta give it, and now you gotta get it. So
hey, you know, I can empathize.
Right.
I am actually. I don't know if you checked into that curcumazole or that supplement. I don't know if we talked about it or not, or if I sent it to you, but it's a natural anti-inflammatory that is really good for this pain, and it doesn't hurt your liver or your stomach. So if I didn't send it to you, I'll send it. The
Yes,
link to
I didn't get that one.
Okay.
No.
What it is like an extract from turmeric called curcumin, but it's actually bioavailable. It's called Mariva curcumin. So it's naturally helps with pain relief, but it doesn't have any side effects. And it actually is very beneficial for you. It has helps with thinning blood. It helps with many things. And so that I recommend way more than Tylenol. I'm gonna be ordering a big thing of too. but it comes in big bottles, 180 capsules, and you can take 6 to 8 a day depending on your pain.
So it's not like a supplement; it's something that you just.
Well, it's a supplement.
Okay.
I mean, it's an herb, from turmeric.
Okay.
It's an extract, but you take it when you're in pain, and then when you don't have pain, you can do 2 a day for maintenance if you like. It's just helps with inflammation. So. This usually takes 2 to 3 days, and it starts to really set in, where you're oh, I have more mobility. So I'll send that link to you from our. We have a little virtual pharmacy called Full Script, and they send it to you directly, and it is the actual manufacturer. Say this is pharmaceutical grade. So if you go on Amazon, they are lookalikes. Sometimes you get lucky and you do get the pure encapsulations, and sometimes you don't.
No, I realized that with Amazon. Yeah, no.
Yeah, they have some fake supplements. So I actually recommended something for someone during COVID that was like an immune support formula of theirs. And I said, well, I guess, and they said, can I get it on Amazon? I was like, let me see. The same supplement had different ingredients. So it was fake. So I was like, look, it doesn't even have the main ingredient, which is for the immune system, that was the most important one. It had another ingredient. So I was like, this is not the same. Don't get this.
Somebody wouldn't even look at the ingredients, wouldn't even know.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, and probably the sad part is there's nothing in it. There's probably just like dust, you know. There's like cornstarch.
Nothing beneficial.
Yeah, they don't even have vitamins in it. So
no.
yeah.
What the heck?
Exactly. And they think, oh, well, this is great profit. You can sell these things for like whatever, and they're not even the real thing. So many there's no quality control with a lot of these. So this one is regulated. It actually is third-party tested. It's from a huge manufacturer, so I just go with them for everything. There's like two companies that I like. So it's Pure Encapsulations and Protocol for Life. I know both of them are good. I've tested the nutrient levels with our patients after they've taken them.
Pure Encapsulations.
Pure Encaps, yeah. So that's who makes this curcumin absorb. So I'll send that to you. Okay. What happens is your mom starts to take it. Your dad, like you're like like family members, they start stealing it from you. So.
Look, so, me and my mom are already debating on, okay, you're going to buy this one and then I'm going to buy this one.
Yeah.
Let's see how it works.
I mean, they look at that big ball and they're like, hey, I'll take some of that. And then you realize, like, yeah, they're stealing your stuff now. So, anyway, but it is a great Christmas gift. You're like,
screenshot, bro? Trucking late. Oh, look at the sign. It should be on my camera instead of my phone. The whole sign on the plug. Blow it up. I wonder what kind of tornado they had. Like what category?
80 mile per hour wind.
Oh, it said 80 miles per hour wind? I'm gonna post it. I think I took a screenshot. Insane. Come to Texas and now we storm chasers for real.
Pole, bro. That's on wood. That's why they know metal pole. Wood, bro.
That's crazy. Dang! Gina, where are you? I'm scared now. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, another tree in the street. On the expressway, yeah. And we just passed by some area that was flooded. Couldn't get the phone out fast enough. My GoPro would have zoomed out, so I got it on my phone. Trees everywhere. I think I'm about to get me a storm chaser truck. The ones that like bunker down when the storm comes. We see people pulling out trees from on top of their roofs and in their yard. Went all over here.
You see how dark the sky was?
They did say what? Tennessee, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. They had like 16 tornadoes in 1 week.
I know that man we was talking to. That boy said from here to Louisiana.
He was leaving Vegas, and he couldn't even get back home. I think he's home, but he said he got to get a car. So why be get a rental car if he's coming home? So I don't know where he's going or where he's trying to go now. Dang, we can't even get close to it now. Oh, I can zoom in while I'm on my record. The hell I was doing over there? I can't even see it no more. He's talking about the trucks over here with some rims. Talking about some Texas shit. And it looked like a Texas vehicle. Like, oh yeah, he from Texas. Real horse-like, real country.
Continue straight.
I probably can't see it with the little red truck behind this black one.
Westheimer Road and FM 1093.
There you go. We can get close right there.
I'm trying to catch it.
Real Texas. Hell nah. We riding around, trying to see how. Trying to see how we get into our hotel room. The guy said park in the brown. The brown garage. The door locked. It's locked. Got trees in the sidewalk. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. They got that on film. They got trains in the middle of the street. Train just sitting here on the tank. Thank you. Oops, watch your step.
potato cheesecake.
Sorry, y'all. This shit was so good. Boy, I took a big bite of it. Put it inside. Look at your phone out.
Holy power going.
Crazy. That's probably what the power them people did.
Turn right onto Rothwell Street.
Look at your phone out.
Holy power going.
Crazy. That's probably what the power them people did.
Turn right onto Rothwell Street.
Yeah. Come on, Mr. Willie. This is the third damn club. I'm fucking fancy. I think I'm getting too old for this shit. I'm tired. My eyes. I'm blinking real slow. But you said. But you said you want to go to a hood club, so here we are. You ain't tired, because you was like, oh, we can go to Uptown, okay? This line is long as fuck.
I was on my own.
Oh, you said what?
I was at the crib. Y'all come on, let me come here. Don't start that shit. You hear me?
I know you lying.
Well, I was finna go to the crib.
No, you said, okay, let's go.
Okay.
I'm like, oh, okay.
He took me a shot.
We get a pee by the back. Say what? By the back. Wanna go back? Nah, man, we got. Man, that shit is long as fuck. You ready? Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I slept pretty good. I think I'm gonna get some breakfast. Y'all see me? Yeah. I don't know why it's so dark in this hotel room. It's a quick outfit. My Amazon workout outfit. Tummy control. I need it after all that alcohol I had last night. Whew. I think we had a little bit of time. Not a time, but we had a little bit of time last night. Child, I'm scared for the night. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm listening to Peyton.
In your face, strong.
Hey, girl, Peyton.
Like crispy strong.
Y'all,
Like overbearing.
I don't know if I'm gonna ever take a vacation.
So layering
I
those
will.
two
I'm not gonna
together,
say ever.
they both
I
give
definitely
each
gotta
other
plan a vacation
what
where I'm
they
not
need.
doing
Like,
nothing.
the
I think
Roscoe Pompeii needs the vanilla.
honestly,
while
hold on, let me pause this.
The vanilla powder needs that.
The best time I have had on a trip is when you're not doing anything. Sitting in a hotel room or Airbnb, whatever you do, and watch TV and eat. Did that mean I'm getting old? My homegirl told me last night, she was like, hey, you getting old, you wanna go home? Yeah, I'm tired. Let me see what Finna eat breakfast at. Let me call her. Lord have mercy. Just to think about what we got planned tonight, I'm scared. All right, I'll be back, y'all. We're at Houston's Breakfast. What is it?
Daily Grill.
Daily Grill. Sorry, y'all could tell I was hungry. I have to get up and eat right away.
Yes, please.
Turn it down.
I'm gonna make sure I hear.
I have it. That tea was good. That was fast. They came real fast. Any excuse to drink, period. Have to get my ass back in the gym. This is our third plate of lamb chops. Bang bang shrimp.
I didn't even see that right there.
I got mad. That's yours then.
That's crazy.
Ready?
I just can't that movie.
Y'all niggas, where y'all going tonight? Y'all want to go to the club? Come to V3.
Y'all look at my face. I'm like, please don't get his number. I don't want nothing else to drink.
A section already. Y'all ain't gotta get no bottles. We don't gotta live it. So, get my number. My phone in the DJ booth. Get my number up. Text me your name. Pull up, nigga. 12 to 2. It's only 2 hours up. It's on 711 Main Street, so it's downtown. I know y'all visited and shit. 282 text me, bro. So let me know your name and your name. 12 o'clock. Alright. The booth behind me, man. Y'all gotta put nothing.
Get a shot. You come to the table, you gotta get a shot. If you come to the table, you gotta get a shot.
Take it to the other club. They don't check me when I go in the club at all.
You come to the table and get a shot. Well, I don't want to go there when it's hot, but take the camera. It's hot.
Wait, you put it on video? What? Oh my goodness. Nobody up here. I'ma record it. I got it.
Shout out to the
Run.
that's pretty with no makeup.
Yeah.
The natural beauty of motherfucking mom.
Upstairs. So there's no.
Ready? Period.
You're in the microwave, too.
Y'all look at me. I'm so y'all won't even want to know what I look like in the morning. Terrible. Threw up all in the car. I don't know why I feel like I'm forgetting something. Okay. The look I have today is throwback. My belt keep coming off. I just ate a cookie. I don't want to be all over my outfit. My phone. Listen, I get a dog in here.
You should have been a dog in here.
It's cute. Guess all the ass is out. Hopefully by a certain light, people can't tell.
Cheeks out, look, damn.
They can tell?
I get to.
No, but the sheerness, it make it look like.
I don't know. Ain't that bad.
Okay. You punching walls like. Luca said she put no clothes. Damn. What do you want? Thank you. She said she's getting dressed. Oh, what you mean? After throwing up.
They are Casamigos.
Casamigos. The rental car had throw up everywhere. So we're late. We missed our flight. But we get to stay another day. Yay!
By Nico, not. She'll be by Nico.
You not by Nico?
She was very different hotel. You said she 45 minutes from that.
I don't think she this way though.
Oh.
I'll ask her. Alright, going to the hotel. Another hotel. We'll touch bases later. Hopefully I don't throw up again. Need something else to eat.
Got a hotel right there. Yeah.
I didn't bring my camera. I emptied in the sack. I make everything look cute. Finally eating. Hopefully I feel better in a second.
Huh?
Hopefully I feel better in a minute.
Yeah, that's why I plan on getting a piece regardless. Use some of that bread.
Everybody miss you. just getting back from Houston. I'm sorry, y'all, that I didn't end the vlog the right way. Well, I look a mess. Houston tired me out this time. You talking about exhausted? By the time we got back yesterday, slept the whole day. Slept the whole day. Yesterday was what, Monday? Yeah, slept all day. Sunday we did go out and have some dinner, but slept the whole day night Sunday. Slept until Monday, until about, since we was right there by the airport, it took us literally 30 minutes, not even 15 minutes to cross over until check-in. So I want to say we slept until like 11 o'clock. We checked in about 11:15. Flight, got on the flight at exactly 12. And I'm tired. I still feel it to this day. And today is Tuesday, the 20th. What was it, the 21st? Today is, y'all. Let me see. I don't even have my watch or nothing. I'm on my phone. But whatever. The movie that I wanted to tell y'all, not the movie, the show that I was watching, I said it felt like we was doing racing while we was going through the airport and stuff, was The Amazing Race. Me and my mom watch this faithfully every day. Well, not every day, every week. On Wednesdays to come out. I don't know why I didn't remember that name for some reason. But surprise, surprise, I'm on my way to go get my laser treatment. This is, Lord, I done lost count. This is I believe treatment number 6 or 7. But I'll let you know when I talk to the receptionist before I leave. But today is gonna be my long laser treatment, which that means I'm doing upper lip, underarm, happy trail, Brazilian area, and leg. So I'm gonna be here for a long time. But at least I have everything put back together. So my last 3 treatments, and it's about to pour down rain. And I hope it rain the whole time I'm in the is it still too loud? Yeah, but it put me back at my last 3 treatments, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I got 4 more treatments left. 4 more treatments for my leg, and I believe 3 more treatments for my upper lip, underarm, and happy trail area. I want to say it's a difference. It's definitely a difference. I love it. It do take some time out the day that I want to chill and relax, because days like this, how they was cutting it up, I was doing my upper lip every 4 weeks and every 6 weeks for the rest of the areas. And to me, that was throwing me off. I'm like, damn, you know, even though the upper lip, 3 minutes, 5 minutes out of that, I'm gone. But now I'm finna be here for about maybe about 2 hours. I'm gonna be here doing everything, but at least it's 2 hours once every 6 weeks I'm back at. So I ain't gotta worry about coming here and trying to stop after work and trying to run, you know, throughout my off days and try to get things situated, because like I don't know what's been going on with my back. Look at you. I hope you're not even turning, you're moving this slow. Come on, Versa. We got things to do. But yeah, like now I just want to go home and lay down. I literally woke up this morning maybe about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and unpacked, washed clothes, folded up the clothes. Me and the dog ran to the store, my cat Cash. We ran to the store. We went to McDonald's and got us a french fry. We shared a french fry. And went to the bank. By the time we made it back to the house, I said, no, it's too hot. You're not finna go for no walk, man. And now it's the perfect time to go for a walk. It's finna get ready to pull down. But now I gotta run over here to get my laser treatment. So, with that being said, he may not go for no walk tonight. He may not. I should have ran the light with y'all. Alright, y'all. But like before, the pain is still there. It didn't go nowhere. I still feel the pain. underarm, little to none. I think I'm at almost mid-level with my underarm, but I don't know if they want to go up higher because they don't want me to burn, obviously, because I have, you know, skin. Skin and a little shade. I have some melanin. Whatever. Who can say that word? I think I have lost all my words and my pronunciation of things once I got Invisalign. My mouth don't move the same anymore because I'm so used to trying to separate my lips to speak, to get the words out. But let's move the other way. But yeah, my words don't come out the same, y'all. I don't know who else this happened to, but whoever got Invisalign, who has had Invisalign, please let me know. I hate speaking now because I'm just afraid of something may not come out the right way. I'm so used to having Invisalign in my mouth. Still don't have the smile that I want, but at least when I had braces back in the days, you know, it kind of corrected them back to how my braces were back then. Because I fell off. After I got my braces done when I was like 16, I don't know what happened to my retainers, but my mom was like, look, if you lose another retainer, and that was my second pair, if you lose or break another retainer, you're on your own. I was on my own. And my teeth were on their own too. Because I was like, who finna go buy some retainers? I can go get my hair and my nails done. No retainer, baby. And these teeth showed it. But after I got them wisdom teeth pulled, they started spacing out at the bottom and getting closer. I'm sorry, they was getting closer at the bottom, and at the top they was spacing out. And I said, I don't like this for me. I don't like this for me. But my dentist swept me down. Your teeth are perfect. I'm not going to do it. If you want porcelains and veneers put in your mouth, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to mess up a perfect smile. And I'm like, It might be perfect in your eyes, but it's not perfect to me. I'm going to get over. But, yeah, so here we are. Session 6. See, I would have never made the light messing with y'all. I think I'm on session 6 now with certain areas and 7 on others. So, with that being said, the pain is still definitely there. It's really there. I know I didn't tell y'all about my other adventures that I've been going on, which is you'll see it in this vlog too. I've been having back issues, so I definitely been doing stuff to get some type of relief. And I did the chiropractor. That definitely did not help at all. One of the guys said I didn't do it long enough, but I'm like, I need some relief now. I need relief now. With the work I do and how I sleep, I don't stay in one place. It wake me up out of my sleep. I don't sleep good. That's probably why I've been so tired now, because I haven't been sleeping good. But I started doing acupuncture. This is my 3rd session that you're gonna see in this vlog. The first time I was scared. I said, let me just focus on what she got to tell me. The second time, I totally forgot, y'all. They had me bouncing from room to room because I had a massage with it. And then the 3rd time, I just came for the acupuncture, and that's it. Before I took this Houston trip, and I was able to vlog so you guys can see how everything went. Let me see. I know where I'm going, baby. Yeah. But yeah, the pain is definitely still there with the freaking laser treatment, y'all. The underarm, not too much. The upper lip, she upped it a lot, because I told her, like, I don't know what's up the upper lip, boy, but it's here to stay. My upper lip, like, nah, I ain't going nowhere, baby. I'm here to stay. The hair is thin, but it's there. I still can feel it. I can feel it when it grow in. The little peach fuzz that's there, I got going on right there. The little peach fuzz that's growing, I feel it. So they up that. I feel that when they do it, but it was quick. My underarm, I don't feel too much. My happy trail, it depends on what area they in, and the Brazilian area, not the happy trail. The happy trail don't hurt, but the Brazilian area depends where they are. I still feel pain. The legs, it's not pain, it's just annoying. Just picture a rubber band pop for damn near 45 minutes. Oh, that's aggravating. It's aggravating. Back and front. Hopefully she do that first so I can just get that over with. 45 minutes. Happy trail, 5 minutes. Upper lip, 2 minutes. Underarm, 2 minutes. Brazilian area, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. But them legs, 45 minutes. Ugh! Alright, let me see where I'm going. I'll be back. I thought I was trying to go a shortcut because I'm running behind, but I'll be back.
My Mother's Day gift is here. Yay! My baby daddy sent me a Mother's Day gift. Get you one, ladies. Get you one. Okay. It's playtime. Thank you.